Do you know all 26 English letters and how to pronounce them correctly? It sounds simple, but getting the alphabet right is the first big step to speaking English clearly. In this video, we are going to learn the English alphabet step by step, from A all the way to Z, with super clear pronunciation and easy examples. This lesson is absolutely perfect for beginners and for anyone who wants to brush up on their English basics and build a strong foundation. Are you ready to master the ABCs? Let's get started. Welcome to Talkoria, the channel that helps you learn English step by step, making it easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the heart of the English language, the alphabet. We will go through every single letter, practice how to say it correctly, and learn a simple word for each one. By the end of this video, you won't just know the alphabet, you'll also feel and sound much more confident when you speak English. And hey, if you're excited to learn with us, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you do not miss any of our future lessons. All right, let's begin with the first half of the alphabet. We'll go slowly so you can listen and repeat after me. The first letter is A. We say I. A for apple. Can you say that? A, apple. Great. Next up is B. We say B. B for ball. B, ball. Fantastic. After B comes C. We say C. C for cat. C, cat. You're doing great. Then we have D. We say D. D for dog. D, dog. Wonderful. The next letter is E. We say E. E for elephant. E, elephant. Perfect. Following E is F. We say F. F for fish. F, fish. Awesome job. Next is G. Be careful with this one. We say G. G for goat. G, goat. Excellent. Then comes H. We say H. H for house. H, house. Very good. After H is I. We say I, just like the I you see with. I for ice. I, ice. Super. Next up is J. We say J. J for juice. J, juice. Keep it up. Then we have K. We say K. K for kite. K, kite. You've got this. After K is L. We say L. L for lion. L, lion. Almost there for the first half. And the last letter in this section is M. We say M. M for monkey. M, monkey. Fantastic work. You've just learned the first 13 letters. Now let's continue with the rest of the alphabet. You're doing so well, let's keep the momentum going. Starting the second half, we have N. We say N. N for nest. N, nest. Great. After N is O. We say O. O for orange. O, orange. Beautiful. Next up is P. We say P. P for pen. P, pen. Perfect pronunciation. Then comes Q. We say Q. Q for queen. Q, queen. Wonderful. After Q is R. We say R. R for rabbit. R, rabbit. Excellent. Next is S. We say S. S for sun. S, sun. You're a natural. Following S is T. We say T. T for table. T, table. Fantastic. Then we have U. We say U, just like I'm talking to you. U for umbrella. U, umbrella. Very good. Next is V. Feel the vibration on your lip. We say V. V for van. V, van. Superb. After V is W. We say W. W for water. W, water. Great job. Then comes X. We say X. X for xylophone. X, xylophone. That's a tricky one. Next is Y. We say Y. Y for yellow. Y, yellow. Almost finished. And the final letter is Z. In the US, we say Z. In the UK, they say Z. Let's practice the American way. Z. Z for zebra. Z, zebra. You did it. You've learned all 26 letters. Great job. That was amazing. Now let's do a quick review of the entire alphabet together to make sure you remember everything. This time, I'll say each letter, and I want you to repeat it out loud after me. Ready? Let's go. A, B, C, F, A, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Absolutely fantastic. You can now pronounce all 26 letters of the English alphabet correctly. The key now is to keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the more you'll improve your reading, spelling, and speaking skills. Soon, you'll feel more confident than ever. For more easy and helpful lessons just like this one, make sure you subscribe to Talkoria and hit the notification bell so you can keep learning with us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.